LittleBeeKidsStudio.
F makes the f sound, like in the word frog. These are fabulous frogs. All of these things start with the f sound. Tap them all and listen to the f sound at the beginning.
Fence, football, flag, fire.
Good job.
Letter F. Sound off.
Sir, I am the letter F. I am a consonant. I make the f sound. F-ish, fish. F-rog, frog. F-ence, fence.
So you make your own sound. F, as in arm, farm. Do you do anything else, letter F?
I do very little else, sir. Occasionally, I make the V sound, as in the word of. O-F, of. But that's about all, except for making my own sound.
No need to apologize for that.
I'd probably do a lot more if the other letters didn't copy me so much.
Oh, did he get his feelings hurt? Which other letters are copying you, letter F?
Sometimes G and H team up to make the F sound, like in R-O-U-G-H, rough. L-A-U-G-H, laugh.
Okay, so?
Other times, P and H team up and make the F sound, like in P-H-O-N-E, phone. P-H-O-T-O, photo.
Yeah, and don't forget this one. P-H-O-O-E-Y, phooey. These other letters have their jobs to do, then you have yours. First and foremost, letters have to work together, or we'd never have words. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Like, share, and subscribe.